Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are making a card that is from beautiful Peacock, and this is a celebration stamp set that you can earn from free in my online store. Let's get started. Okay, the stamp set that we are using is a celebration stamp set, and that is beautiful Peacock. We're going to be using this Peacock, beautiful friend, and the feathers right here. Now, celebration is for every $50 you spend, you can pick one thing out of our celebrations catalog. There are also some new things in there this year. If you purchase $100, you can pick from a select group of those items. So I'm going to bring in my Stampin' Pierce mat along with a piece of Whisper White, and the Whisper White piece of paper is cut at 3.5 by 2.5. I'm going to come in with my Lemon Lime Twist, and I have my feathers, and they're mounted on block C. So just like that. Then I'm going to come in with my Tranquil Tide. And I'm going to get my little Peacock, and he is mounted on block B. And this should be fairly easy because there's a little indentation for him. So hopefully I don't get my head in the way. All right, not too shabby. And now I'm going to come in with Dapper Denim. And I have the beautiful friend, and that's mounted on block A. And I'm just going to place it right there. Let's see. I think I'm also going to bring in these feathers as well. Yeah, I think so. And I will put that in Tranquil Tide also. And so these fit on block C. I don't know if you saw me, but I stole block C. All right. Now I'm going to come in with my my piercing tool. And some rhinestones. And I'm going to use the smallest rhinestones. And I just want to put them at the bottom here. And you don't have to use your piercing tool. It's just easier for me because my nails are so long. Alright, how does that look? I think we need one more right there. Alright, I like that. So we will get this out of the way and we'll start putting this card together. So I'm going to put this down with some snail. Probably should have put this down before I put the rhinestones on. Alright, so we are going to layer it on a piece of lemon lime twist, and that is cut at 3 3/4 by 2 3/4. And now my card base is also lemon lime twist, and this is cut at 8.5 by 5.5, and it's scored at 4 1/4. And let's see, I have Dapper denim, and I'm just going to place that down with some snail. And the Dapper denim is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. And then I have a piece from the Eastern Palace specialty paper, and this is cut at 3 3/4 by 5. And we'll center that. Now I'm going to come in with some Stampin' Dimensionals for our little peacock. So I'll take this time to remind you that for the month of January, the stamp of the month is Sure Do Love You. So if it is placed in my online store, you will get an exclusive kit from me. Alright, so there you have it, a beautiful friend card using a free celebration stamp set. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye!